Hey there! Today I'll walk you through the UGC Creator and Brand Deal Pipeline Tracker. If you make content for brands, the creating is the fun part. But the rates, the deals, the deliverables, the invoices, and the usage rights are what turn it into a real business. This workbook keeps your whole pipeline in one place so you get paid on time and never lose a deal in your DMs. Let's take a look. We start on the Start Here tab. It's a quick welcome that explains how the workbook connects and the easiest way to get going. The Settings tab is where you make it yours, your services, deal stages, and the drop-down lists that keep everything tidy. The Rate Card tab is your pricing menu, what you charge for each type of content and add-on, so you quote with confidence instead of guessing every time. The Brand Deals tab is your pipeline, every deal with its brand, value, stage, and status, so you can see what's in talks, what's booked, and what's been paid at a glance. The Deliverables tab breaks each deal into the actual content you owe, with due dates and status, so nothing ships late and nothing gets missed. The Income tab logs what you've earned and what's still owed, so you always know your real numbers and who still needs to pay. The Expenses tab tracks your costs, gear, props, software, and travel, so you know your true profit and you're ready at tax time. The Outreach CRM is your relationship tracker, brands you've pitched, contacts, and follow-ups, so promising leads never go cold. The Usage Rights tab logs how long each brand can use your content, and when those rights expire, the detail creators forget that's worth real money to get right. Finally, the Dashboard pulls it all together. Pipeline value, income booked and pending, top brands, and upcoming deliverables, one screen that shows your whole business. And that's the whole system. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so your pipeline goes wherever you do. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and go get those deals.